Hello, future change makers of Bangladesh. What if I told you that you could study, work and settle in New Zealand in just 2 years and even bring your spouse and children with you? New Zealand offers a world-class education system, unlimited work rights for students and their partners, and an incredible lifestyle for the whole family. And the best part, our international admission team is here to support you every step of the way. From choosing the right university to helping you secure your visa and start your new life in New Zealand. Whether you're planning a master's, bachelor's or diploma, your dream is within reach. Book your appointment today with our expert study abroad counselor. Our chief consultant, HM Mashoor Rahman, is ready to help you turn your study abroad goals into a reality. So don't wait, study in New Zealand, settle in 2 years and bring your family with you. Apply now. Your future starts today.